Sony WH-CH700N. That's a long name. Sony and their nomenclature, it's gonna kill me someday. Or either give me a speech impediment. Anyways, all right, first off, I like these headphones. They're $150. So where do they sit in the line of noise canceling Bluetooth headphones from Sony? Well, you got it like this. You got your WH-CH700N Mark IIs. You got them at the top of the list. Those are the big dogs. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you are looking for the best, absolute best noise cancellation in the industry right now, it is those headphones. Throw everything else out if you're only looking for great noise canceling, okay? And then you got, what's next? It would be the Headphone 2, would be right here. And then you got the BT950N1s right here. And then that's where these bad boys come in. The 700, is it 700? CH700N. N is for noise canceling. All right, so as far as noise canceling goes, I'm just gonna jump to it because it's $150 noise canceling from Sony. You gotta talk about that first. As far as noise canceling, don't buy these for noise canceling. You know what? The sound signature does not change. Usually when you're in a budget range of headphones, like the $89, $90, $100 range of Bluetooth noise canceling, usually when you turn on the noise canceling, the sound gets a boost or it sounds funny or far away. There's always a sound signature change when you turn on the noise canceling. In these, it's absolutely the same all the way across the board, whether the noise canceling is on or off. The big deal with me is the noise cancellation is not, it doesn't really cancel out much. It will cancel out a lot of the lower tones, but you know, I just wouldn't buy these for noise canceling. If you're gonna spend 150 bucks on headphones for noise canceling, I would try to go elsewhere. Or maybe this is the best offering. I don't know. It's hard to say. But sound quality, Sony, you hit a home run with these, man. I really like the sound that comes out of these. Now, as far as sound compared to all the other ones I just mentioned, okay, so if you saw my review on the Hear-Ons and the 1000 Mark IIs or 1000 MX Mark IIs, whatever it is, I always felt like they were limited in the EQ. I just felt like they weren't loud enough. I didn't need them blasting in my ears like ridiculous or nothing like that, but I just felt like there was more to go. Like I always felt myself tapping the volume up one more time, even though I was at max already. These do not have that problem. Nice, clean, punchy bass, a great overall sound signature. I can't complain about anything regarding the sound. Nice and balanced. The Sony EQ, it is what it is as far as the Sony EQ, but you can use your stock EQ or whatever EQ you want to download and play around with that. I'm not really a fan of the Sony app anymore. I played around with it with these headphones. It's so limited compared to the other headphones that it pairs up with. It's almost not even worth having as far as I'm concerned. With the Aptx and all the other stuff, all the codecs that they use, I really can't tell a sound difference with it on or off in these. I just think they sound fantastic overall. So sound quality wise, everything is there. Nice sound stage for closed back headphones, great highs, great mids, deep bass. They get loud. They actually get really loud. They're satisfyingly loud. But for noise canceling, I just can't say it's there. They definitely put these at the bottom rung of the ladder of noise cancellation in their noise cancellation headphone lineup. And I guess I can see why. You know, you got your $150, then you got your $200, $250, and then you got your $350 headphones from Sony. These being at the bottom of the food chain, they just skimped out a little bit on the noise canceling. But the build quality is on par with all the rest of them. Nice and durable. They're built pretty much like the 1000Xs or the Hear-Ons. Actually, I like the headband in these better. On the higher end Sony headphones, you have a steel band right here. This one's actually covered in vinyl, so it actually gives it a more luxury type of feel. And if you actually look at these headphones, man, they look more along the lines of the Bose styling with the, you know, with the squished up leather right there and the soft looking ear cups. I'll tell you what, if they would put these ear cups on the 1000Xs, that might have made them more comfortable. I really do like these ear cups. Even though they're bigger, these suckers get hot, okay? They're bigger so they allow more room and airflow, I guess you would say. But for some reason, this stuff does not breathe at all. It's like all vinyl in here. There's no There's no fabric for the air to flow through. After a couple of minutes, actually, you feel your ears heating up, and when you take them off, there will be some moisture from your ears sweating. At least that was my case. I don't know. Maybe I had some tomatoes that day. I'll be sweating when I eat tomato stuff. But yeah, these ear cups do not let my ears breathe at all. One thing I would like to mention is traveling. So they only do this. They only lay flat, so you can slide them in a bag or something like that, and they do not fold up. But they are super lightweight. And I love the controls. I like the physical buttons and everything. There's no touching, no sliding or anything like that. Now let's get on some of the interface about these headphones. All right, so you got a noise cancellation button right there. All right, so there's no levels of noise cancellation. You can optimize it by long pressing the button. It seems to do kind of an optimize kind of thing where it'll turn off and then kind of optimize, I guess. But it's still, you know, not that great. No matter what environment I was in, it tried to optimize, and it's still not all that great for noise cancellation. Then you have your 3.5 millimeter input right there. Micro USB, still micro USB in 2018 from a company like Sony, unbelievable. And then you got your power button right there, and that's also, if you long press it, that's how you can pair, or you could use NFC because it's built in right there. Moving on to the other one, that's where all the fun stuff happens. You've got your forward and back track, and then you press it to hang up or pause or answer a phone call, and then you got a separate volume rocker right here, and it seems to be backwards. Everything seems to be laid out backwards. If you press back, if you press your thumb on the rocker that's to the back or swing it to the back, doesn't matter whether it's volume or the tracks, it seems to go reverse. It seems to go forward, and then it's the opposite when you're going the other way. Seems like it should have been laid out the other way. That's a minor gripe, something you can get through. But one big gripe I have about these headphones, and it's not even the headphones itself. I actually love the headphones, man, to be honest with you. The only thing I just think that they really skimped out on the noise cancellation. Sound is fantastic, build quality is great. Being an all plastic build with just a small aluminum band, it's fine with me. They seem to be, you know, very well built. The one gripe I have though is that they don't come with a case. Dude, Sony is so cheap. They don't give you batteries in their stuff. Anytime you get something from Sony, you don't get batteries. And now they make you spend 150 bucks. They don't even give you a case, man. You get cases with like $80 headphones, a hard shell case at that. And they don't even give you a sock, no sleeve, no nothing, man, no pouch, nothing. You are on your own for 150 bucks. Sony, you ought to be ashamed of that, man. I'm really disappointed in that regard. But as far as the headphones, man, this box is all headphones, man. I would unbox it for you, but as soon as you slide it out, the headphones are right there. Ain't nothing in there but some instructions and a micro USB cable. Oh yeah, and your 3.5 millimeter. But that's it, man. No case. I cannot believe you don't even get a pouch, man. Maybe I'm just cheap. Maybe I expect a lot when I spend 150 bucks. But I guess I'm spoiled because all the other manufacturers seem to give you some type of protection method for carrying these things around for travel. But other than that, I really don't have any gripes. I think they sound fantastic and they look good. Let me put them on my head for you. Nice low profile. I kind of wish all the other headphones made by Sony had this nice low profile. And man, they are comfortable. Very, very comfortable. However, remember, you got that heat building up in your ears because these things just don't breathe. But they are true over-ear headphones. If your ears are bigger than this hole, you might want to seek some medical attention, man. These are some big old ear cups. But yeah, these are great, man. I say if you got 150 bucks to spend and all you want is good sound, good looking set of durable headphones, go for it. If you're looking for noise cancellation though, don't spend your 150 on these headphones, man. It's just okay. It's okay. You might want to spend a little bit more money if you're looking for great noise cancellation. Because like I said before, anything in the 200 plus range for noise cancellation might not be that great. But that's my review of the Sony WH-CH700N. Those names, oh my God. Hey, good set of headphones, man. If you got $150 to spend, I say do it, but not for noise cancellation. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, go ahead and tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe, and I'll see y'all at the next one.